Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Regarding you, I am most scared about the freshness, fascination of the world, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has brought forth for you." The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what is the freshness of the world?" He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Bounties of the earth." The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, does good lead to evil?" He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said thrice, "Good generates only good." The verdant vegetation that grows in the spring kills an animal or brings him on the verge of death, except those animals that eats only verdure as much as causes their flanks to swell. They then wallows in the sun, defecates and urinates. This wealth is verdant and sweet in the world. Whosoever takes it according to his right and expends it in the right cause, it is his good labor. But whosoever appropriates wealth without a title is like the animal which eats but never gets satiated. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2419.